Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you how to move search bar in Windows 10 and customize how search appears on your taskbar. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to change or reposition the search option to suit your workflow. Step 1. Right-click on an empty area of the Windows taskbar to open the taskbar context menu. This menu gives quick access to taskbar settings and controls, which is important for customizing search and other icons. Step 2. Move your mouse cursor over search in the context menu to reveal the available search display options. This section controls how the Windows search feature appears on the taskbar and how much space it uses. Step 3. Select Show Search Icon to turn the full search bar into a compact icon, or choose Hidden to remove search from the taskbar. This step helps you free up taskbar space or keep search easily accessible. Step 4. If the search icon is visible, click and hold it, then drag it along the taskbar to reposition it among other icons. This allows you to arrange the taskbar layout in an order that feels more comfortable and efficient. Step 5. Release the mouse button to place the search icon in the new position on the taskbar. Once released, the change is saved instantly and you can start using search from its new spot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips and fixes.